I love this song. I forgot the words. It's been a while.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? Masquerading as a man with a reason. My charade is the event of the season. And if I claim to be a wise man, it surely means that I don't know.
We lived happily forever, so the story goes. But somehow we missed out on the pot of gold. But we'll try best that we can.
The day the music died, I started singing bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Them good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye and singing, this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die. Ship on the ocean, I set a course for winds of fortune. But I hear the voices say,
on board I'm the captain, so climb aboard. We'll search for tomorrow.
let's get down to business to defeat the Huns.
Baby, it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate.
It's gonna
be made
to carry on.
You're the saddest bunch I ever met, but you can bet before we're through, Mister, I'll make a man out of you. Chin, 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 chow. Every time we're down, you can make it right. And that makes you larger than life.
That deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays a mean pinball.
Swift as the coursing river, with all the force of a great typhoon, with all the strength of a raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of the moon. I thought I was the valley table king, but I just handed my pinball crown to him.
It's been fun. Yeah. I'm tired. I need more coffee. We can do that.